As you all know, IGE, International Grading Exam, is compulsory for graduation of UCMAS kids. The students who have completed the advanced level and passed the International Grading Exam, Grade 3, is eligible for graduation. Please welcome the students who have completed UCMAS with full dedication and hard work. Parents, come on. Jake Denny Katampalli from UCMAS Desham. Parents, please encourage them. Jake Denny Katampalli from UCMAS Desham. I am expecting more from my audience. Next, Rishi Srikanth from UCMAS Desham. Next comes Rishi Srikanth from UCMAS Desham. Give him a big round of applause, please. Next, Anne-Marie Denny Katampalli from UCMAS Desham. Anne-Marie Denny Katampalli from UCMAS Desham. Next, Mariam Parveen from UCMAS Medical College Road. Mariam Parveen from UCMAS Medical College Road. Next comes Darsh KS from UCMAS Medical College Road. Darsh KS from UCMAS Medical College Road. Give him a big round of applause. Next, Leah Fatima from UCMAS Medical College Road. Leah Fatima from UCMAS Medical College Road. Leah Fatima? Yeah. Leah Fatima's parent is here. Grandparents. Next, Suhana Ghosh SA from UCMAS Medical College Road. Suhana Ghosh SA from UCMAS Medical College Road. Next, Sagarika Ghosh SA from UCMAS Medical College Road. Sagarika Ghosh SA from UCMAS Medical College Road. Students, please join for the group photo. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. They are the graduate of UC Mass. Congrats, students. Now the most excited and awaited moment of the day. Yes, we are going to felicitate our winners. Students, ready for your results? Sound pora. Results illa. Yes. Okay, we'll start from FL1 category. Fourth runner-up goes to Mass Desham. Fourth runner-up goes to Siddharth Manigandan from UC Mass Desham. Give them a big round of applause. Parents, come on, they are your children. Parents, you can also join along with your children, please. You're most welcome. Okay, next third runner-up goes to Rishika P. Rajiv from UC Mass Desham. Parents and grandparents are also invited along with your children. So she's not here. The respective CIs can collect the awards. Next, second runner-up goes to Mohammad Bilal Yes from UC Mass Medical College Road. Second runner-up goes to Mohammad Bilal Yes from UC Mass Medical College Road. Give him a big round of applause. He is the second runner-up in 5th state level competition UC Mass 2024. First runner-up in FL1 category goes to Ayan Muhammad Yes from Vidyadhiraja Higher Secondary School, Tirumala. First runner-up goes to Ayan Muhammad. Sir, you're also welcome. Sir. Next, FL2 category. FL2 category, fourth runner-up goes to Dua Fida Fatima from Vidyadhiraja Higher Secondary School, Tirumala. She is the fourth runner-up, Fida Fatima from Vidyadhiraja, Tirumala. Motivate them by giving your claps, audience. Okay, third runner-up goes to Faris Mohammed from Vidyadhiraja, Tirumala. Third runner-up, Faris Mohammed from Vidyadhiraja, Tirumala. Sir, you can stay here, sir. Faris Mohammed is the third runner-up from Vidyadhiraja Higher Secondary School, Tirumala. The second runner-up goes to Neeraja BM from Vidyadhiraja, Tirumala. Again from Tirumala. Second runner-up goes to Neeraja BM from Vidyadhiraja Higher Secondary School, Tirumala. Sir, you can stay here. The next award is also to you. And the first runner-up goes to Ardra AI from Vidyadhiraja, Tirumala. First runner-up goes to Ardra AI from Vidyadhiraja, Tirumala. Parents, audience, and the champion of FL2 category goes to Megul P. Vidyadhiraja, Karakulam. The champion of FL2 category goes to Megul P from Vidyadhiraja, Karakulam, Tirumala. Awards recognize the students' ability, efforts, and lift their self-confidence. For that, they need encouragement. Parents, please encourage them by giving a big round of applause. Next, we move on to Z1 category. In Z1 category, first runner-up goes to Aditya A.R. Venganur. First runner-up goes to Aditya A.R. Venganur. First runner-up goes to Aditya A.R. Venganur. And champion of Z1 category goes to Adya Maria AS from Venganur. Adya Maria, she is a champion in Z of 5th state level competition 2024. Parents, you can also join along with your children. Moving on to Z2 category. Second runner-up goes to Dhyan Krishna from Venganur. Second runner-up goes to Dhyan Krishna from Venganur. Dhyan Krishna, second runner-up in Z2 category. And the first runner-up goes to Tabitha Lalok from Venganur. Tabitha Lalok, she is the first runner-up from Venganur. Give her a big round of applause. She is the first runner-up from Venganur. Give her a big round of applause. And the champion of Z2 category goes to Anaga VM from Vidyadhiraja, Karakulam. Anaga, she is the champion of Z2 category. In Z3 category, champion goes to Aifa Anas Khan from Tirumala Center. Champion of Z3 category goes to Aifa Anas Khan. She is a champion. Give her a big round of applause. She is a champion of Z3 category. We are moving on to A1 category. Abhista Rakesh, yes, she is a champion in A1 category. A1 category from Tirumala Karakulam. Abhista Rakesh, yes, she is a champion in A1 category of 5th state level competition UC Mass Kerala 2024. Next, A2 category, 4th runner-up is shared between two, Ritvik K. Rajit from Medical College Road. Ritvik K. Rajit from Medical College Road. 4th runner-up in A2 category. Fourth runner-up is shared between two. Next comes Alfred Ibn Shamir from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. He is the 4th runner-up in A2 category. Alfred Ibn Shamir from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Third runner-up goes to Sayandana from Venganur. Third runner-up goes to Sayandana from Venganur. In A2 category, third runner-up goes to Sayandana from Venganur. And second runner-up goes to Ahmad Swaleh from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Second runner-up goes to Ahmad Swaleh from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. He is the second runner-up in A2 category. Give him a big round of applause. He is Ahmad Swaleh, second runner-up in A2 category from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Runner-up goes to Arjun A.S. from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. In A2 category, first runner-up goes to Arjun A.S. from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Give him a big round of applause. He is the first runner-up in A2 category. Next comes the champion of A2 category is back none other than Albin Anand from Vidyadhiraja Tirumala. Albin Anand is a champion of A2 category from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Next comes A3 category. In A3 category, fourth runner-up is shared between two, Aradhya PR from Medical College Road and Karthik DR from Venganur. Aradhya PR from Medical College Road. Fourth runner-up is shared between two, Aradhya PR from Medical College Road. She is the fourth runner-up in A3 category. Next comes Karthik DR from Venganur. Karthik DR from Venganur. Third runner-up goes to Aditya Akhil from UC Mass Desham. Third runner-up in A3 category goes to Aditya Akhil from UC Mass Desham. Audience, I'm expecting more from you. Aditya Akhil is the third runner-up. Second runner-up, Arsha AL from Tirumala, Tirumala Center. Arsha AL. She's the second runner-up in A3 category. Second runner-up, Arsha AL. First runner-up goes to Mohammad Nihal from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Mohammad Nihal, the first runner-up in A3 category from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Give him a big round of applause. He is the first runner-up in A3 category. Next comes the champion of A3 category. And champion of A3 category goes to Mehzad Bashir from UC Mass Desham. Mehzad Bashir from UC Mass Desham is the champion in A3 category of 5th state level competition, UC Mass Kerala 2024. Next comes B1 category. B1 category. Second runner-up goes to Satvik S from Venganur. In B1 category, second runner-up goes to Satvik S, Venganur. First runner-up goes to Adidev SS from Venganur. First runner-up in B1 category goes to Adidev SS from Venganur. Give him a big round of applause. He is the first runner-up in B1 category. Adidev SS. And champion of B1 category goes to Isha S. Arun from Medical College Road. Champion of B1, she is a champion, Isha S. Arun from Medical College Road. She is a champion in B1 category. Next comes B2 category. Fourth runner-up is shared between two. Rishi Jayasuriya from Medical College Road. Fourth runner-up, Rishi Jayasuriya from Medical College Road is the fourth runner-up in B2 category. Fourth runner-up is shared between two. Rishi Jayasuriya. Rishi and then Joanna Thomas. Next comes Joanna Thomas from UC Mass Desham. She is the fourth runner-up in B2 category. Joanna Thomas, UC Mass Desham. She is the 4th runner-up in B2 category. Give her a big round of applause, please. Third runner-up goes to Devansh A from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Third runner-up goes to Devansh A, Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Devansh is here and is a third runner-up in B2 category. Second runner-up goes to Fiona S. Ashish from Medical College Road. Second runner-up in B2 category goes to Fiona S. F. Ashish from Medical College Road. She is the second runner-up in B2 category from Medical College Road. First runner-up goes to Atul Shyam from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. First runner-up goes to Atul Shyam from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Atul Shyam is here. He is the first runner-up. Come on, parents, he is the first runner-up in B2 category. Parents, you can also join. Huh? Champion of B2 category goes to Adidev A. Adidev A. Champion of B2 category goes to Adidev A from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. He is a champion. Come on, parents. He is a champion in B2 category. Adidev A from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Next, we are moving on to B3 category. Fourth runner-up goes to Devananda SP, Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Fourth runner-up goes to Devananda SP from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. She is here and she is a fourth runner-up in B3 category from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam, Devananda SP. Third runner-up goes to Noorul Ayan SJ from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Third runner-up goes to Noorul Ayan SJ from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Second runner-up goes to Shivet GR from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Second runner-up in B3 category goes to Shivet GR from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. First runner-up in B3 category goes to Ansa Fatima Yes from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. She is the first runner-up in B3 category. Ansa Fatima From Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. She is the first runner-up in B3 category. Please give her a big round of applause, parents. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. With this quote, let's start our event. Most respected Director of UCMAS Kerala, Mrs. Sindhu Premnath, Co-Director, teachers, parents, and my dear lovely students. A warm and pleasant morning to all. I'm Aisha Shibin, host of today's event. I have an immense pleasure in welcoming you all for the most awaited award ceremony of 5th state level competition UCMAS 2024. Let us start this beautiful event by lighting the lamp followed by prayer. For that, I would like to invite our directors on stage, please. Now, I would like to call Meera Mohan for prayer. Mike.
Things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the sky, the cold wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden, He made them everyone. He gave us eyes to see them and lips that we might tell how great is God Almighty, who has made all things well. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all.
Hello. Now it's time for listening competition. For that, I would like to invite our director, Mrs. Sindhu ma'am, onto the stage, please. Students, are you all ready for the listening competition? Yes? Yes, students participating in listening competition, be ready and please move towards the adjacent hall, okay?
Guys, make a single file line. Come here.
Students participating in listening competition, please move towards the adjacent hall. Make a single line.
Make a single file line. Come on. Come here, come here. Make a single file line here. Fast, fast, fast. Come, come.
Make it fast, children.
Line. Wait here. Yeah, go ahead.
Anjali, yes. Next comes C1 category. Third runner-up goes to Anaya Arun, UC Mass Desham. Third runner-up goes to Anaya Arun from UC Mass Desham. She is the third runner-up in C1 category, Anaya Arun from UC Mass Desham. Second runner-up goes to Nakshatra Anup from UC Mass Desham. Second runner-up goes to Nakshatra Anup from UC Mass Desham. Second runner-up goes to Nakshatra Anup in C1 category, UC Mass Desham. First runner-up goes to A.S. Saindavi from Venganur. First runner-up in C1 category goes to A.S. Saindavi, Venganur. She is the first runner-up in C1 category, A.S. Saindavi from Venganur. Give her a big round of applause. She is the first runner-up in C1 category. And champion of C1 category is backed by Adidev A from Venganur. Adidev is a champion in C1 category. Adidev is a champion in C1 category. He is from Venganur. Adidev A is a champion in C1 category of 5th state level competition UC Mass 2024. Next, C2 category. Fourth runner-up goes to Devananda S. Praveen from Venganur. Fourth runner-up. Fourth runner-up goes to Devananda S. Praveen from Venganur. Third runner-up goes to Arnav Sharma from Medical College Road. Arnav Sharma from Medical College Road. Third runner-up in C2 category. Third runner-up in C2 category goes to Arnav Sharma, Medical College Road. Second runner-up goes to Sivaganga JS from Venganur. Second runner-up goes to Sivaganga JS from Venganur. She is the second runner-up in C2 category. Give her a big round of applause. She is a second runner-up in C2 category. First runner-up goes to Bhavasri VS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. First runner-up goes to Bhavasri VS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. She is the first runner-up. Give her a big round of applause. The prize is bigger than her. First runner-up goes to Bhavasri VS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. And champion of C2 category goes to Devatirtha D from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Devatirtha D from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Devatirtha D, she is a champion in C2 category. Next comes C3 category. Fourth runner-up goes to Bhagyasri VS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Bhagyasri VS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. She is the fourth runner-up in C3 category. Bhagyasri is here. Yeah. Fourth runner-up in C3 category. Parents, come on. She is the fourth runner-up in C3 category. Bhagyasri VS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Third runner-up goes to Adinarayan A from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Third runner-up Adinarayan A, Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Third runner-up Adinarayan A from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam in C3 category. Second runner-up goes to Srinanda U again from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Second C3 category goes to Srinanda U from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. C3 category, third runner-up goes to Adinarayan A from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. And second runner-up goes to Srinanda U from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. First runner-up goes to Brahmadat Binu from Medical College Road. First runner-up goes to Brahmadat Binu, Medical College Road. First runner-up goes to Brahmadat Binu from Medical College Road. And the champion in C3 category goes to Fida Fatima, again from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Fida Fatima, again from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Merit. Yeah, ബാക്കി അല്ല ഈ ഒരു category, third runner-up goes to Adi Kesav AS from Venganur. Adi Kesav AS from Venganur. Third runner-up goes to Adi Kesav AS, Venganur. is the third runner-up in D1 category, Adikesav AS Venganur. Second runner-up goes to Daksh PJ from Desham. Daksh PJ from Desham. Second runner-up in D1 category goes to Daksh PJ from UC Mass Desham. First runner-up goes to Vihan S. Jijo from Venganur. First runner-up in D1 category goes to Vihan S. Jijo from Venganur. First runner-up, Vihan S. Jijo from Venganur. Give him a big round of applause. He is the first runner-up in D1 category from Venganur. And champion of D1 category, Max Jacob from UC Mass Desham. He is a champion, Max Jacob from UC Mass Desham. Come on, Max. He is a champion in D1 category. Please give him a big round of applause. He is a champion in D1 category of 5th state level competition 2024. Now, D2 category, champion is backed by Nihad Mohammad from UC Mass Desham. Champion Nihad Mohammad from UC Mass Desham. He is a champion in D2 category. He is a champion. Come on, parents. He is a champion in D2 category. Next, E1 category. Second runner-up goes to Ritik Reddy from Medical College Road. E1 category second runner-up goes to A. Rutvik Reddy from Medical College Road. Come on, parents. He is the second runner-up in E1 category from Medical College Road. A. Rutvik Reddy is here. First runner-up in E1 category goes to Anne Maria AS from Venganur. Anne Maria AS from Venganur she is the first runner-up in E1 category. In E1 category, first runner-up goes to Anne Maria AS from Venganur. She is the first runner-up in E1 category. One minute. E1 category. Now I'm announcing E1 category. Champion goes to Adityan NM from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Champion is backed none other than by Adityan NM, UC Mass Tirumala. F3 category, champion goes to Sri Prayag AS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. He is a champion in F3 category. Please give him a big round of applause. Sri Prayag AS from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Champion of G2 category goes to Leah Fatima from Medical College Road. Champion category goes to Leah Fatima from Medical College Road. She is a champion in G2 category. Grandparent is here, so give him a big round of applause. He is receiving the champion award. Medical College Road. Leah Fatima. She is a champion in G2 category. G3 category, second runner-up goes to Dharmik Dinesh, Medical College Road. G3 category, second runner-up goes to Dharmik Dinesh from Medical College. First runner-up in G3 category goes to Liana David, Medical College Road. First runner-up in G3 category goes to Liana David from Medical College Road. Champion of G3 category goes to Ashwin MJ from Medical College Road. Champion of G3 category Ashwin MJ from Medical College Road. In H1 category, second runner-up goes to Anne-Marie Denny Katampalli from UC Mass Desham. Parents, come on parents. Energy poyo. Come on. Second runner-up in H1 category goes to Anne-Marie Denny Katampalli from UC Mass Desham. She is the second runner-up in H1 category. First runner-up goes to Yuvan Sunil from UC Mass. FL2 category, Gautam S. Krishna from Vidyadhi Raja Karakulam. Merit Award, FL2 category, Gautam S. Krishna, Vidyadhi Raja Karakulam. From Vidyadhi Raja Karakulam, FL2 category. A2 category, Gautam Krishna DA from Venganur. A2 category, Gautam Krishna DA from Venganur. B3 category. Next comes C2 category, Nainika A. Vinesh from Medical College Road. Nandika from Medical College Road. Okay. Nandika's grandparent is here and Nandika from Medical College Road. Next Adriel Jacob Prashant from Medical College Road. Adriel. Okay. Adriel Jacob Prashant. E3 category, Parvati SS from Vidyadhi Raja Karakulam. F1 category Parthasarathi R, Medical College Road. F1 category Parthasarathi R, Medical College Road. Next comes F2 category Adya CJ from Medical College Road. Adya CJ from Medical College Road. In H3, Adya is here. Give her a big round of applause, please. Adya CJ, she is receiving the Merit Award. Medical College Road. H3 category Suhana Ghosh SA, Sagarika Ghosh SA. Join with her. Yeah. Suhana Ghosh, Sagarika Ghosh from Medical College Road. Sagarika, sorry. In D1 category, we are having 4th runner-up, Tanha Fatima from UC Mass Desham. Tanha Fatima from UC Mass Desham. She is receiving 4th runner-up in D1 category. Please give her a big round of applause, parents. She is receiving 4th runner-up in D1 category from UC Mass Desham. One minute. Parents, കുറച്ച് എനർജി ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ ലിസണിങ് റിസൾട്ട്സ് അനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. എനർജി ഉണ്ടോ പാരൻസിന് റിസൾട്ട് അറിയാൻ? ലിസണിങ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ്റെ വേണ്ടേ? Students are more excited than parents. Parents, come on. Come.
Dear parents, ഞാനൊരു സ്പീച്ചൊക്കെ പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തത്, ബട്ട് മാം ഡിഡ്ന്റ് കോൾ മീ. So, see, listening competition, for last 3 weeks, I and Girish sir were giving the practice for the listening competitions for the students who are participating for the listening competition. So the parents who have observed that practice section maybe might have understood what is the importance and what the improvement those kids have now. And special thanks to Girish sir for supporting me as well. So when I was out of station, sir was taking the classes, and see, I am so happy. This is the first listening competition we have done here today, and this state, നമ്മുടെ കേരള സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ലെവൽ കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടൈമാണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്ത ലിസ്ണിംഗ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ. ആൻഡ് when I started the practice, I was in confusion, like, you know, എനിക്കൊരു ചാൻസ് കിട്ടുമോ, 4 ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ സംസ് ചോദിക്കാൻ ഒരു ചാൻസ് കിട്ടുമോ എന്നാണ്. The chance should be given by the kids to us, na? So I'm so happy the champion of the C group, അത് 4 digit 45 rows with a very good speed ആണ് champion trophies. So very അവരുടെ ഇത്രയും പ്രാക്ടീസ് മീൻസ് ആൻഡ് I need your support also from the parents. See, നിങ്ങൾക്കും അറിയാം, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ പ്രാക്ടീസ് സെക്ഷൻസ് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് എന്താണ്. വി നീഡ് യുവർ ഹെൽപ്പ്, വി നീഡ് യുവർ സപ്പോർട്ട് ഫ്രം എല്ലാം the teachers and every directors. They used to say in the class, na, practice at least 15 minutes എന്നുള്ളത്. So you have to support us. This is a long journey. So നമ്മുടെ അടുത്തൊരു കുട്ടികൾ, this is a long journey. 3-4 years they are with us, they are with UC Mass. So be with us and see, please spread the word of UCMass. See, UCMass is the only platform which trains the children from an early age of 4.5 years. So you can spread the word. Now, if you go through the platforms of Facebook and Insta of UCMass Kerala or any stage you can take, there are a lot of videos, demo videos of kids, and you cannot imagine how the 5 years or 6 years kids doing 2-digit and 3-digit multiplication tables and all. So please spread the word and see, this is such a wonderful program. നമുക്കൊരു നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്കൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഒരു ടൈമിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇമാജിൻ പോലും ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം നമ്മുടെ കുട്ടികൾക്ക് കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ യു ജസ്റ്റ് സ്പ്രെഡ് ദ വേർഡ്, യു ജസ്റ്റ് ഷെയർ ഇൻ യുവർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ്സ് ആൻഡ് വി നീഡ് യുവർ സപ്പോർട്ട്. താങ്ക് യു.
Now I am going to announce the results of listening competition. First comes in A category. Let's start from third runner-up. Third runner-up in A category goes to Vihan S. Jijo from Venganur. Give a big round of applause. He is a third runner-up in listening competition. Vihan S. Jijo from Venganur. Vihan? Yes, he is here. He is the third runner-up in the listening competition from Venganur. Vihan S. Jijo. Parents, come on, third runner-up, Vihan S. Jijo from Venganur. Second runner-up goes to Adi Kesav A.S. from Venganur. Again from Venganur, second runner-up goes to Adi Kesav A.S. He's here, he's the second runner-up in A category. First runner-up goes to Anne Maria A.S. from Venganur. Again, the first runner-up goes to Venganur, Anne Maria A.S. She is the first runner-up in A category. Please, come on, parents. Champion of A category goes to Adityan from Tirumala Center. Champion of A category goes to Adityan from Tirumala Center. He is a champion in A category. We are also awarding him a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Come on, parents, encourage them. We are also awarding him a cash prize of rupees 2,000. In B category, next we are moving on to the B category. Third runner-up goes to Adya from Medical College Road. Adya. Third runner-up goes to Adya from Medical College Road. Give her a big round of applause. She is the third runner-up in B category. Second runner-up goes to Rishi Srikanth from UCMass Desham. Second runner-up goes to Rishi Srikanth from UCMass Desham. Rishi is here. Second runner-up in B category. First runner-up in B category goes to Anne Mary from UCMass Desham. Anne Mary Denny Kattampalli from UCMass Desham. She is Receiving first runner-up in B category. Anne Mary from UC Mass Desham. And champion of B category goes to Devatirtha from Vidyadhiraja Tirumala. She is also receiving the cash prize of rupees 2,000. Champion of B category. Come on, champion. Devatirtha, Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. We are also awarding her a cash prize of rupees 2,000. The last category, C category, third runner-up goes to Adi Narayan A. Third runner-up, Adi Narayan A. from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Is the third runner-up in C category of listening competition. Parents. Second runner-up goes to Sri Prayag from UC. Vidyadhiraja. Second runner-up goes to Sri Prayag from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. Second runner-up goes to Sri Prayag from Vidyadhiraja Karakulam. First runner-up in C category goes to Mariam Parveen, Medical College Road. First runner-up goes to Mariam Parveen from Medical College Road. Give her a big round of applause. She is the first runner-up in C category of listening competition 2024. Next comes the champion of C category, Jake Denny Katampalli from UC Mass Desham. He is the champion of C category. We are also awarding him a cash prize. He is the champion of C category, Jake Denny Katampalli. Is a champion of C category goes to Jake Denny. Exciting award of 5th UC Mass State Level Competition 2024 Champion of Champions, Jake Denny Katampalli from UC Mass Desham. Champion of Champions. Parents, please give a standing ovation for our own Champion of Champions. Come on. None other than Jake Denny Katampalli.
From a dance in a mind in the call. Champion, champion, every journey and every young man. Champion, champion, every busy and every patient.
Clap, come on, parents.
Champion, every journey and every young man.
Give him a big round of applause. He is a champion Words. Ma'am. Please. Parents, please share a few words with us.
Respected Sindhu ma'am, young and energetic Adarsh. Our heartfelt gratitude for conducting the UC Mass activities in Kerala with exceptional efficiency and enthusiasm. Your dedication, energy, organizational skills made it truly successful. Sindhu ma'am, your guidance and leadership were instrumental in the smooth execution of all these activities. And Adarsh, your youthful vigor and dynamism added immense value to all this. The entire and teamwork deserve special appreciation. Thank you very much on behalf of all our parents.
Next, we are moving on to Module Champion Awards. First comes Foundation Module Champion. The top scorer from Foundation level to Elementary B, that is third level, is given Foundation Module Champion and is backed by none other than Faizan Ahmad from Vidyadhi Raja Karakulam. Faizan Ahmad is a module champion. Top scorer from foundation level to elementary B is given a foundation module champion and none other than Faizan Ahmad from Vidyadhi Raja Karakulam. Give him a big round of applause. He is a module champion of 2024 5th state level competition of UC Mass Kerala.
Champion.